USB Autoscope 4 Device Holder Assembly. First, let's get the fasteners. The first step is to screw the handles to the holder. For this, we use M4x8 screws. There are two handles in the kit, and they differ by the presence of a hole in the center. Take the one with the hole and screw it to the top of the frame. Now take the second handle and screw it to the bottom of the frame. Now you need to fasten the cable organizer to the holder. We take self-tapping screws 3x15 and fasten the bottom row of the holder. We take self-tapping screws 3x8 and fasten the top row. Next, unscrew the original screws from the device. Then we put the holder on top of the device and screw it with M3x30 screws. We pass the ring through the hole in the handle. We attach a carabiner to the ring. That is it.